Bigyan ko kayo ng quick thoughts and reaction ko dito sa pagkapanalo ng Rain or Shine against San Miguel Beermen. Ang galing talaga ng Rain or Shine ngayon. No? Merong isang bagay na talagang napansin ko sa kanila. And this is, I think, the main reason why they are winning each and every game. Biro mo, 5-0 na po sila and tinalo nila. SMB lang naman.
Podcast Sports, the number one independent sports voice of the Philippines.
Alright, well, grabe yung laro ng Rainers. Perfect talaga dahil nagse-celebrate ang PBA ng kanila pong birthday. So happy birthday the PBA. And rain or shine, talagang nagpaulan sila. Pakita ko lang sa inyo yung stats na to. And there's a stat na talagang nabilib ako. Of course, San Miguel Beer yan. Di naman basta-basta yung San Miguel Beer na nakupunan eh. And if you look at this, pumalag din yung San Miguel Beer. Pero ang malupit talaga dito sa Rain or Shine, if you look at the stats, paganda ng paganda. Except yung yung fourth may nag-adjust yung San Miguel Beer, pero masasabi ko lang 26 points, 36 points, 33 points per quarter yan. High scoring talaga itong Rain or Shine, and the reason why is because they're running. But I don't think the running is the main reason kung bakit sila nananalo. The running is definitely their game, and sabi ko nga yung maliliit, kahit yung malalaki na parang na nananalify yung height ng kalaban dahil sila tumatakbo, pero hindi dahil sa takbo sa tingin ko. And ito yung punto ko dito. But let me go ahead and tell you first the stats. Lamang pa nga ng field goal percentage ng San Miguel. Mo lahat ng field goal percentage. So what's the reason? One of the things na magugustuhan mo sa Rain or Shine is they share the ball very well. And for a team that doesn't set up a lot of play, ang ganda ng assist nila. 34 assists. Paano nangyari yun? And run and gun sila, takbuhan sila ng takbuhan. Di ba? So, 34 against 20. And makikita mo, lahat nagko-contribute talaga. 44 against 34 points. And si Noko manggaling. So, the leader, by the way, I want to give a big shout out to Marshall Lassiter. Marshall Lassiter, uminit din ng fourth quarter. Kala ko mananalo pa eh. But rain or shine, kumbaga, kumounter ang San Miguel, lumaban pa rin ang rain or shine. Magaling talaga. They held on to the win. Perez, 18 points, 6 out of 14. Fajardo, 8 of 13. Si Patton, tahimik. 12 points, no? I don't know kung bakit yung import nila tahimik pa rin talaga, no? Troliano, 5 out of 15. Eto, si Johnson, 24 points. Nocum, 21 points. He was the best player. Ang galing nitong Nocum na to. Not only inside, outside. Although 38% field goal percentage siya pa rin isa sa dahilan kung bakit nanalo. Because there's a thing na pag tinignan mo yung stats, kung sino yung maganda sa stats. Pero if you watch the game, Nocum really was one of the difference maker. Si Nocum, si Limete rin, grabe yung nito, aggression, yung layups niya. Kung sasabihin nyo, buwaka, na dire-diretso lang, pero yun ang kailangan yung laruan ng Rain or Shine. Talagang dire-diretso and pumapasok eh. So, sa sinasabi lang naman baka pag, kumbaga, yung hindi na i-shoot ng, ng player. So, I think Rain or Shine is really doing great, especially with their rotation. So, I want to give credit, no? Tibiruin mo, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 players, almost 9 players in double-digit scoring para po sa Rain or Shine. And like what I said, there's one thing na sa tingin kong dahilan kung bakit nananalo ang Rain or Shine. It's because of their effort. Grabe yung effort nila. Para talagang tumatakbo sila, and yung effort nila sa laro, and they're sharing the ball very well, is the reason why they're winning the game. Obviously, they're well-trained, they're properly coached. Ang ganda ng mga coaching ng ni Coach Engel, especially may mic na yun. Naririnig mo na yung mga sinasabi niya. It all makes sense, no? Mapapagod din yan. Although napagod sila bandang huli, nag-adjust kasi ng zone yung San Miguel Beer. But you can see na each of them are playing for each other. And you can see the high effort. And I think that's the reason why they're winning. And like what I said, I believe if this is the kind of game that they're gonna play all throughout the series, I think, if not, pasok na yan sigurado baka mag-champion pa yan. But again, iba na yung usapan sa championship eh. Although, sinabi ko na, baka siya yung mag-champion. Rain or shine. Pero congratulations sa Rain or shine. Galing talaga, guys. Anong masasabi niyo sa laruan ng Rain or shine?